In the journey of an entrepreneur, the most important thing is self-belief and the ability to convert that belief into reality. It is important to remember that there are no overnight successes. You will need to be dedicated, single-minded, and there is no substitute to hard work. I don't think ambition should not be in the dictionary of entrepreneurs, but our ambition should be realistic. You have to realize that you can't do everything. You have to manage money, particularly with market economies. You may have a great product, but if your bottom line goes bust, then that's it. Profit or loss is not guaranteed. That depends on the consumer and depends on the product. That's a risk that business people take. Essentially, whoever is successful, whoever is going to do things that make a difference, is going to be talked about. Today, I see 1 billion people as 1 billion potential consumers, an opportunity to generate value for them and to make a return for myself.